Hi, my name is Katie. I'm a fellow Gen Z trader and I work for a company called Trade Ideas. Each week I post 2 new blogs to focus on specifically younger traders learning how to find their way and navigate the market starting out. Okay, so going into the market in 2023, if you're just starting out, you should know the R word, recession. Now, recessions are not the best time to go with risky investments, such as cryptocurrency. Now, while this is a controversial topic, cryptocurrency can be a wise and sturdy investment, but now is not the time to get into it. In order to make it out of this recession steady and above water, maximizing your returns and profits in the long run, and working towards fighting inflation, you have to invest in this one thing: gold. Precious metals like gold and silver are a very safe investment right now, especially for newer traders because of the fact that the stock market and gold are always paralleling one another. I'll provide you 3 researched reasons, all included in my blog, which I'll link below, of why gold is a safe and sturdy investment for 2023. Number 1, gold can fight against inflation. Our fight with inflation has been an uphill battle for years now, given that the trust and value behind these currencies is constantly changing. Yet the value of holding on to things like gold will help fight inflation over cash value because, unlike cash and stocks, gold tends to hold its value over time despite inflation rates skyrocketing. According to the CFO of Swiss Asia Capital, the price of gold can surge up to $4,000 an ounce, given that it's one of the most safest currencies to hold right now. So before that surge happens, get your hands on gold as soon as you can. Number 2, it helps against deflation as well. Given that we're heading towards a recession right now, just as bad as the Great Depression, some are saying, it'll be helpful to hold onto gold while the prices surge up. You'll already have it. Sorry, I'm speeding up, running out of time. Number 3 is portfolio diversification. Working towards getting as much diversification in your portfolio is the best thing you can do as a trader. So have those stocks, have gold, and make it as diverse as possible.